Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another delicious video.
Thank you for motivating us by subscribing to the channel.
What is this?
I used to be a Google translator, but I was fired.
Okay my dear, congratulations. Now you can help me teach our friends around the world?
Yes, why not?
Thank you dear.
You're welcome.
Okay, so let's go on a crazy adventure with our YouTube friends.
So guys, quickly take pictures of the necessary equipment because time is short.
Well, first melt the butter on medium flame. In the next step, add the melted butter to the crushed biscuits. Stir a little. After mixing, put the biscuits and butter in the container and put it in the refrigerator for 14 minutes. In the next step, dissolve the jelly powder in the water and heat it with steam. Now it's time to cream this cheesecake. Put cream, sugar, cheese and vanilla in a bowl and stir until dissolved.
If you've made it this far in the video, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell buttons.
Well, now mix again with a mixer. It's time to add the gelatin powder and mix until dissolved. Now, you can see that the liquid has become creamy. Refrigerate again for an hour.
Now it's Caramel's turn.
Place the glass of milk with the caramel on the flame for 2 minutes and stir until they dissolve. Now pour the caramel into the container and place it in the refrigerator for 14 minutes. Congratulations! The cheesecake is ready.
Thank you for watching this video. Even if you learn something, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Well friends, in the next video I will introduce you a country dish. Guess which country it's for in the comments. Good luck!